on it. Like fairy fire. Okay, so now it's in position. Turn it. Turn it. That's good. Yeah, that's the flame. Move it to the next one. And turn it. Yep, go for it.
Construct. Cats.
Stop
There's
casting.
flame, yes.
Pick up the construct.
Yeah.
Yep, get the construct, get it into the flames. And no, get it into the flames. It's on a healer, get it on.
I'm slack-potted, Jakko root.
Slagpot tally, heal him. Root it.
I'm coming. Yeah. Miss.
Just keep doing it until it's rooted. And Sasa, you will need to call for it when you go to make it brittle. Slagpot on Skeeto, heal him.
Do I have to do anything now?
Nope, just don't die.
Is that too far out?
You can heal yourself.
Yeah, it is. Can you break it?
Brittle.
Ty, or TJ.
Yep, it's not brittle yet now.
We can use Aura Mastery for the...
Root now.
there we I use
It
mine on
knocks
the
you
last
up
one.
anyway.
Slagpot on Subtext, keep him alive. Another Iron Construct, pick it up and root them.
Root again.
You have to make sure
It's
it's
immune?
rooted because they break.
Yeah, still immune. I
Yeah,
can
it's
just
fine.
tank him.
Yep.
Moon is molten.
Ah, fuck. No.
It's loose now.
Pick you up, Ty.
Somebody get Moon to the water.
Combat wrist tight, yep.
If you have Moon on you, move it to the water.
Jakko's grabbed. That's unlucky.
I will move to the other side. Use Aura Mastery on Flame Chats. I think we can have it up for everyone.
The fucking DBM's not announcing it.
It's a
And
cast from the
minus.
boss, like 2-second cast.
I'm a healer.
Put the boss in focus.
Do you
Coming
have the
soon, use it
DBM
now.
It's coming.
from someone?
Yes.
It's true there's no timer for it, but if you put the boss in focus, you can see his cast bar.
That's 2.7 seconds.
Ignis and Slagpot?
Tayos is
It's
immune.
basically a wipe at this point.
Is it?
We have two
Well,
healers.
no,
Keep
it's
going.
Why?
27%
He only 5
falling
people
in.
dead. He's at like 20%.
Yeah, keep going. We have very few healers, but if you can survive, go for it.
There's 1 minute left.
Use your personal survival cooldowns, guys, for the flame jets.
I'm using Aura Mastery for the next one.
Tell us into your commenters.
50
Who
seconds.
the risk?
Bandit 2.
Flame jets.
Flame jets.
Flame jets,
Yaka
flame
has it up.
45
Jakko bot
seconds.
crashed.
Okay, get Bandit.
We should just control them and then nuke. 37
Yeah.
seconds left.
Yeah, tank them, nuke the boss.
So start approaching cooldowns. 32 seconds.
If you keep them alive, the boss will gain leverage and will one-shot pre-death.
No,
Yeah,
free
but
death.
we,
Free
we
death
can
stack.
survive this.
Flame jets.
What's the time to die?
25.
Keep nuking. Pop shield wall. Now pre-death.
Yeah, it's what's up already.
Okay. Give him a sack in 3, 2, 1. Give him a sack. Give him Guardian Spirit if you have it, Bandit.
I'm dead.
Pre-death death. Anyone taunt it?
I'm coming.
Flame
Come
jets,
here to
flame
full
jets.
goal. Keep nuking it.
Immune to taunt.
Keep nuking it.
Keep nuking. Keep nuking. 100k.
Nice one.
It's
Nice
basically a
speed
wipe
kill.
at this point.
Well done.
but,
Not the cleanest kill, but still a kill.
Cheapest.
We need to.
Is the root only supposed to last like 5-6 seconds?
Well, considering the tank is actually hitting it, I guess that breaks it at some point.
The
No, they're only. It's
duration is
lasting
only
like
6
PvP.
seconds when you.
Yeah, it's doing PvP for some reason.